So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can spot scammers in Binance P2P. If you're able to spot scammers or identify scammers in Binance P2P, you will not trade with them and your money will be safe. So there are a lot of scammers in this Binance P2P out there to run away with people's money. If you're able to spot them and identify them in this video, that's what I'll be showing you in this particular video. And before I go right in, if you're new to this channel, do to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Variety Gist. All I do in this channel is try to teach you guys how to earn cryptocurrency, how about cryptocurrency. When you're interested in this kind of content, you do to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, on the Binance P2P, if you want to trade Binance P2P, I should trade with people who are actually real and legit. One thing you should look out for is actually the number of trades that people have done and the number of percentage to completion you get. How many of those trades they are successfully completed or carried out. If for example come here, like say I want to sell a cryptocurrency. I want to sell cryptocurrency worth let me type the amount. Let's say cryptocurrency worth 20,000 naira. Right, I hit on the confirm button again. I can see they're going to bring a lot of merchants over to sell cryptocurrency for me. You get. So what you need to do is actually check the number of trades I've completed and number of percentage. For example, in this particular big worker, this person has done 425 trades and 8% completion, and this person has done 297 trades, 291 trades and 2% completion. This is what you should look for. People who has carried out a number of trades and the number of percentage completion between 80 to 100 is what you should trade in, because these people are actually real and legit merchants who are out there want to get work, are they ready to make to trade. You see this particular you see these people, like this particular guy who has done only 43 trades and 7.8 percentage. It's not advisable you should trade this particular one. And you can see this one who has done only 5 trades and 31% completion. It is not advisable. You should trade with all of those people who has done a lot of trades and who have percentage completion between 80 to 100. And also other things you check for is that you check for their reviews. If you click on this particular one nickname, just click on the name right here. You can see click on the name right here. You take it to the person's profile. You can see that the person has done 60 trades last 60 trade the last 30 days and 89% completion. You can see the number of positive reviews just 55, no negative review. But if you check this particular one right here, let me see somebody who has done this big worker right here. For example, the big worker has done 426 trade, 98% completion. You can see it has 70 positive reviews and 4 negative reviews. These are people you should trade with. But if you scroll down, there's one guy who has done just 5 trades. If you check this particular person too, and because he hasn't done a lot of trades, though he has 117 positive reviews and 4 negative reviews, meaning this person has been doing trades successfully. But for the last 30 trades, the guy has done only 8 trades. So it's not good to trade those kind of people. Trade people who has done a lot of trades last 30 days and the credit completion is actually very high. Other things you check on when trading is that you should trade with people who are verified. As you can see right there, there's no verified party, right? All these people are not verified. They are not verified does not mean that they are fake or real. Just like people who are using Twitter. Not everybody are verified on Twitter. People are not verified. There is a way you're not able to have verified. But those people are verified are those people who have proven themselves that they have been using Binance for a long time and they are verified merchants. You'll be trading with verified merchant are those people who has this part. You can see right here. You can see on this batch you have a lot of verified merchants. You can send to on or 12 verified merchants list right here. To check on verified merchant, just click on this button right here. You can set to off verify merchant or on it again. If you off it and you click on the confirm button, all people you are going to see they will not be verified. Then if you decide to on it and you click on confirm, people you are going to see will be verified. The difference between verified and not verified merchant is that if you want to sell cryptocurrency, verified merchants will want to actually sell your verified merchant will want to actually buy your crypto at a lower rate. That is one thing. Verified merchant would like to buy your crypto for you at a lower rate. You can see this verified merchant want to buy from me at 1224. But if I come right here and offer, you can see that non-verified merchant want to buy from me at a rate of 255, like at a more higher rate. The same thing if you want to buy to verified merchant would like to sell for you at a higher rate, while non-verified would like to sell to you at a lower rate. That's the only difference. So you can choose to go for the ones you want to go either verified or not verified merchant. But what you check for is actually the number of percentage completion that I've done and the number of positive and negative reviews they have done. So you should trade more people who has a lot of positive reviews and whose price corporation is between 80 to 100. These are really and legit people that you should trade with on Binance P2P. So guys, this is for this particular video. This video has helped you and you found it helpful. Do to like this video and do to subscribe and turn on the bell icon.